maybe.
Well, swiftly moving on from that one. Good morning, everybody. This morning, certainly, Naga is right. It is wet and windy for some of us, and if you haven't got it yet, it is coming your way. Low pressure is dominating our weather today, and this is the area of low pressure. You can see the cloud wrapped around it, but it's not just cloud. It's also rain, and the track it's taking is pushing northwards and eastwards, some heavy and persistent rain with it. And look at the wind arrows, so that tells you alone it's going to be a windy day, especially so in some western and southern areas. So many of us started off on a dry and bright note, a few showers across northeast Scotland, but the rain piling in, moving northwards and eastwards, heavy and persistent, lighter and more patchy across southern England, but the wind will certainly be a feature. Gales across the Irish Sea, Wales and the southwest, even inland we're looking at gusts as much as 40 miles an hour. Temperatures 7 to about 14 or 15 degrees. They should be roughly north to south, 15 to about 18, so below par to stick with the golfing theme. Now through this evening and overnight, the low pressure that's coming in today will continue to push eastwards, bringing more of us some rain and the wind strengthening across southern counties. It's not going to be a cold night. In fact, it's going to be quite a mild night with some not getting lower, for example, in Liverpool, than 11 degrees. Tomorrow then, we still have low pressure across us, still producing all this rain wrapped around it. Windy across southern England and South Wales. We could have gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour. The Met Office has a yellow wind warning out for this, and it could well lead to some disruption. But as that low pressure pulls away, it will brighten up across northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland. But for you, you will then see some showers. Now, as we head on into Saturday, once again, we're looking at that mixture of sunshine and showers. Some of the showers will be heavy and thundery. And then we're back to square one with our next area of low pressure on Sunday coming in, bringing in some rain. So here's today's low pressure. On Saturday, it will have pulled off into the North Sea and taken its weather front with it in doing so. Then we've got sunshine and showers, as I mentioned, some heavy and thundery with some hail, with some western areas could miss them altogether and stay dry. On Sunday, a lot of dry weather to start the day, but remember that low pressure I was telling you about? Here it comes, bringing in some wet weather, some gusty winds, and even the chance we could see some winteriness on the tops of the mountains in Scotland. Now, again, Charlie.
Yeah, you see,